I told you, that is my real sneeze. Jake, stop. I'm so short. Don't poke me. I'm ticklish. You guys are the worst. Leave me alone. Hi, my name is Jenna. I'm one of the guys. They always like to tease me because of my small size. Your girlfriends love to hate me. They're just like all the others. They just don't understand that I love you all like brothers. Hey, Tanner, you're not funny. How big are your shoes? I'll play you all in COD. I promise that you'll lose. I get along better with all the dudes. Ignore the fact that they trade my nudes. I burn myself. It's not a hickey. I'm Jenna, all the boys' favorite pick me.